Welcome back everyone to another episode of Vegetarian Cooking with JJ. Today I'm going to be making delicious Greek lemon potatoes with oregano, mountain oregano from Greece, of course. And I'm going to be making kaftedes, the vegan version that is. It's going to be super delicious, super simple to make. It does take a little bit of time, of course, but I'm sure you will enjoy this recipe as much as I do. First of all, we'll want to peel our potatoes and gouge out the eyes. Then we'll want to slice them into wedges. Next, we'll want to plunge our potato wedges into some icy cold water. This will help to release the starches and also help to crisp them up on the outside during the cooking process. So we'll keep them in the water for about 15 minutes. We'll preheat our oven to 375. We're just going to cut this lemon in half so we can juice the entire lemon. I'll pop some olive oil in the bottom of this dish, and we'll pop our potatoes in. And I need some more room, so I'm using another dish, popping some olive oil in the bottom, adding our potato wedges. We'll put some olive oil on top, and we'll add half of the lemon juice to this potato dish, and then the other half to the other one. And I'll add our dried Greek Mountain Oregano. It's the Krinos brand, straight off the branch. I've used this brand in a number of recipes and it is awesome. Be generous with the sprinkling. And I'll dust on some salt. And grind on some fresh black pepper. Give it a nice mix. And I'm going to add our veggie stock. I'm adding about a quarter cup to each of these dishes. Adding some garlic powder. Make sure it's nice and coated. And our potatoes are ready for the oven. So we'll pop them in the oven for 45 minutes to an hour until we see some nice browning going on. Everyone's oven is different. Now on to our vegan kaftedes. We have our hot Italian Beyond Meat Beyond Sausage. And we're going to get 250 grams of that. So use your kitchen scale. And our Beyond Beef. We're also going to get 250 grams of our Beyond Beef. If it's a little bit off, don't worry. We have our Beyond Meat Spicy Italian Sausage. I'm just going to add it to this bowl. We have 250 grams. Oops. It's sticking. Okay, there we go. And we got our Beyond Beef over here. I have a kitchen scale, but you can just eyeball it and use your hands and see how it works, you know? It's no biggie. We have our 250 grams here of our Beyond Beef. We're just gonna add it to the bowl, just like so. Red onion, I'm gonna finely chop that. And I'm going to mince a quarter cup's worth of red onion. Here we go, quarter cup. I have a few cloves of garlic here. I'm gonna mince them up. So here we have Bob's Red Mill egg replacer, and we're just gonna get 1 tablespoon. you're welcome to try out the just egg as well. Okay, I'm gonna get 2 tablespoons of water. I'm gonna get another spoon for stirring this. There we go, it's nice and thick. It's kind of gooey. Next, I'm going to juice half of 1 lemon, and I'm gonna get a little bit of zest as well. I'm doing a little bit more than a half of a lemon because this lemon is a little bit on the small side. And I'm going to just chop the zest. This should be a good amount. Here I have some parsley. I'm just going to chop some up. We'll only need about a tablespoon. Not only am I chopping it, but I'm mincing it. So we're going to go ahead and mix everything into our bowl here. First, I'm going to give this a nice mash. We added in our finely chopped garlic, our finely chopped red onion, our finely chopped parsley, and our dried mint and Greek oregano, Greek Mountain Oregano, that is. Our lemon zest as well. And here we're gonna add our paprika and cayenne, our 1/4 teaspoon of each. Now I'll scoop out our egg replacer here. Using the egg replacer since quite a few of the recipes called for egg. I have a 3/4 cup of breadcrumbs. I'm gonna gradually add it. We may not need the entire amount. I'll see how it binds together. Start to mix everything in, and we're gonna get our hands dirty. Pour in our lemon juice. Special secret ingredient, ouzo. You can also try it with aniseed if you wish, if you don't have ouzo on hand. However, also if you're not a fan of the black licorice flavor, you can opt out of this, but I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna try it out with the ouzo. We're just going to do a tablespoon. It just gives it a different flavor. So we'll just spread it in there. There we go. Give that a mix. Add a little bit of these breadcrumbs in here. Okay. So now we'll just form our balls. Try to keep them even. And we'll just coat them in some flour and set them aside on another plate. So you just try to grab the same size amount and roll it up. And coat it in some flour. And we'll just set it aside on the other plate. There we go. And continue until you're finished. We'll add some oil to our pan here and we'll fry up our vegan Kaftedes. Remember to turn them so they get brown on all sides. Now it's time to take out our potatoes. You gotta love that sizzle. Potatoes first made their way into Greece in the 18th century by way of the Spanish conquistadors. They came from Peru, and they came into Naxos first. Naxos, in fact, is most popular for the potatoes because of its microclimate and its perfect soil conditions. We'll plate our beautiful Greek potatoes, and I'm so looking forward to trying them. For all those potato connoisseurs out there, they will notice a distinct difference between the potatoes of Naxos and the rest of the world. You can try them for yourself and let me know if you make your way over to that island. It's that time again. I get to try it. Here we go. I also made a quick vegan tzatziki as well. So I'm gonna just take a little dip. Oops. Woo. They turned out great. And I'm gonna enjoy some ouzo, because why not? Yes. So the ouzo in the Kaftedes really works well. It's just a hint, you get that little hint of flavor. And also with the combination of the Greek lemon potatoes with that oregano is so amazing. And I have Greek salad, not the village Greek salad, but I put my, homemade vegan tofu feta in it. If you missed last week's recipe, it's in there. The second half of the video about. So there you have it, another delicious meal to add to your recipe booklets. If you've enjoyed this video in any way, shape, or form, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, tune in every Monday, there's going to be a new video. We travel the globe in my kitchen, keeping things interesting in my kitchen and in yours. Bon appetit! Following with the Greek theme, I have aratina malamatina. I'll just open it here. I have tried this at a young age and enjoyed it. Not everybody is a fan because it is quite different. It is a dry pine wine. So it has that pine resin flavor to it. It's dry, crisp, perfect for the summer. It has that pine flavor. The history of the pine flavor, they did not have the same methods to seal wine bottles back in the day. So they used pine resin to seal the wine so that the air wouldn't get in and that it wouldn't spoil as fast. So you didn't have to drink a whole bottle in 1 or 2 nights. Thank you for tuning in.